In this video, we're going to talk a little bit about torque wrenches. Which ones to use, the proper use, and do you ever have to change the adjustments on them? First, we have to understand that different RF connectors have different torque values, and approximating is not a good idea. In particular, the 4310 connector, shown here, you'll see it has a slightly larger center shield than its almost near cousin, which is the 4.1-9.5. Unfortunately, the exterior nuts are the same size, which means many people incorrectly use the torque wrench for a 4.195 on a 4310. That is a bad idea, because a 4.1-95 has 11 Newton meter torque rating, which is about 8 foot-pounds. A 4310 connector typically only runs about 5 Newton meters, it's twice the amount of torque, which can cause problems. You can break the connector, or even worse, break the connector on the female side, which could be an antenna or an RF radio. More common is the old school 7/16 DIN connectors. A very sturdy connector, also significantly larger and very PIM problematic due to its high pressure need of almost 25 Newton meters, with a range of 20 to 35 or 18 foot-pounds. Torque wrenches come in various price ranges, categories, and sizes. It's okay to use torque wrenches that you find at your local auto parts, but you got to make sure that you use them properly and they're within the calibration range. Disposable or fixed attenuation torque wrenches here are also very affordable, but they typically only come with one size head. There are adjustable torque wrenches that are used in laboratory or production purposes, which also allow exchanging of heads so that you can have different sizes and different angles for whatever your needs may be. Below is a selection of fixed torque wrenches for the 4310 connector. I've selected them because of their availability and their affordable price. They are also minimized in design so that they can easily fit in the bottom of crowded antennas. The reduced size prevents damage but still verifies proper torque. Remember, do not use a 4.195 mini DIN torque wrench on a 4310 connector. When using adjustable wrenches with heads that can be replaced, it's very important to make sure you adjust the torque rating depending on the length of that head that's added. For torque wrenches with adjustable heads or replaceable heads, you want to read the manufacturer's instructions to verify. But you're going to need the distance between here and the center of the adapter, and the distance between there and the handle point on the torque wrench. In this example, we have a target torque of 5 foot-pounds. The wrench length is 18 inches, which is 1.5 feet. The adapter length is 3 inches, which is 0.25 feet. With this formula, we see wrench setting equals the wrench length times the target torque divided by the adapter length plus the wrench length. This comes out to 1.5 times 5 divided by the sum of 0.25 and 1.5, which means 4.3 foot-pounds. So you need to set this torque wrench to 4.3 foot-pounds so that at this point it torques at 5 foot-pounds. Make sure to use torque wrenches properly. Ensure they're calibrated or replaced As always, be careful out there and always watch the back of the person you're working with. If you like this video, please hit like and feel free to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.